The truth is, you need phrasal verbs to understand and be understood in English. And they're so difficult to learn. But in this series of short lessons, you're going to learn some of the more common ones. You'll learn how to pronounce them in a fast, natural way, and also the way that native English speakers use them in everyday conversations. For a free guide to all the phrasal verbs used in this series, just click the link in the description below. If you're already a member of our English Improvers community, this will be sent to you automatically. Hi, I'm Steve. Let's do this. Today's phrasal verb is take off, and this is really useful because it's got lots of different meanings. To say this in a natural, fast way, we can connect these two words together, and we do that by moving the k sound from the end of take to the front of the o in off. So take off becomes take off. And at a more natural speed, take off. It should sound like a single word, take off. You try. Let's see all the ways that it can be used. First, it can be used to describe removing something.
I hope that's all you're going to take off.
It can also be used to leave quickly and suddenly. Are you enjoying the party?
Yes, but I'm going to take off. I've got to be in work early tomorrow.
A surprising use of the phrasal verb take off is to describe imitating someone.
Can you take off an American accent?
Well, I sorta can a little.
A business or a trend can take off when it becomes popular.
Will your YouTube channel ever take off?
I hope one day it will take off. And of course, when a plane leaves the ground, it takes off. You're home late.
Yes, my flight didn't take off on time, so I'm taking tomorrow off.
Sounds like a good decision. So shall we go to the cinema to see the latest Tom Cruise movie?
That sounds great. He takes off for a really evil character.
That's right. I've heard it's really taken off. So from planes to hats to movie stars. If you need a phrasal verb, use take off. Watch out for the next mini lesson in this series.
I'll see you next time.